Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. Star and hash are defined over the set P, Q, R, S, T as shown in tables 1 and 2. Table 1 implies 2 star 4 is equal to 1, while table 2 implies 2 hash 4 is equal to 3, and so on. Also, if x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, x square is equal to x hash x, x cube is equal to x hash x, and so on. What is the value of 2 cube star 3 hash 4 star 2? We know that 2 cube will be 2 hash 2 hash 2. From the table, we observe that 2 hash 2 is nothing but 4. Therefore, it becomes 4 hash 2, which from the table can be seen as 2 hash 4, that is 3. Therefore, 2 cube comes out to be 3. Similarly, 4 star 2 from the table can be seen as 1. So the expression actually becomes 3 star 3 hash 1, that is 3 star 3 hash 1 can be seen from the table as 3. So the expression becomes 3 star 3, which again from the table can be seen to be 1. So the required answer is 1. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. Star and hash are defined over the set P, Q, R, S, T as shown in tables 1 and 2. Table 1 implies 2 into 4 is equal to 1, while table 2 implies 2 hash 4 is equal to 3, and so on. Also, if x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, x square is equal to x hash x, x cube is equal to x hash x, and so on. What is the smallest positive integer n such that 3 to the power n is equal to 0? We first calculate 3 square, that is 3 hash 3, which can be seen from the table as 4. Next we calculate 3 cube, that is 3 hash 3 square or 4 hash 3, which can again be seen from the table as 2. Next we calculate 3 to the power 4, that will be 3 hash 3 cube or 3 hash 2, which from the table can be seen as 1. Similarly, we can calculate 3 to the power 5, which comes out to be 3, and 3 to the power 6, which comes out to be 4, and so on. Therefore, no such value of n exists for which 3 to the power n is equal to 0. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. Star and hash are defined over the set P, Q, R, S and T as shown in table 1 and 2. Table 1 implies 2 star 4 is equal to 1, while table 2 implies 2 hash 4 is equal to 3, and so on. Also, if x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, x square is equal to x hash x, x cube is equal to x hash x and so on. What is the value of 1 cube into 2 to the power 4 into 3 square into 4 cube? We know that 1 cube will be 1 hash 1 hash 1, which from the table comes out to be 1. 2 to the power 4 can be written as 2 hash 2 hash 2 hash 2, that will be 4 hash 4, which again comes out to be 1. Next, 4 cube can be written as 4 hash 4 hash 4, that is 1 hash 4, which again comes out to be 4. So, the expression actually becomes 1 star 2 star 1 star 4, that is 2 star 4 star 4, which comes out to be 1 star 4, that is 0. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the quotient when 3x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 10x square plus 11x minus 61 is divided by x minus 3 is, using the long division method and arranging the powers of x in descending order, we get 3x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 10x square plus 11x minus 61 when divided by x minus 3 gives 3x to the power 4 when divided by x gives 3x cube. 3x cube into x is 3x to the power 4 and 3x cube into minus 3 is minus 9x cube. Subtracting it from the above expression, we get 0 plus 4x cube. Writing down the remaining expression as it is, we get plus 10x square plus 11x minus 61. 4x cube when divided by x gives 4x square. 4x square into x is 4x cube. 4x square into minus 3 is minus 12x square. Subtracting the expression from the above expression, we get 0 plus 22x square plus 11x minus 61. 22x square when divided by x gives plus 22x. That will be 22x square minus 66x, which gives 0 plus 77x minus 61. 77x when divided by x gives 77 and the remainder becomes minus 61 plus 77 into 3. So the required quotient is 3x cube plus 4x square plus 22x plus 77, and hence the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, if 2 star 3 is equal to root 13 and 3 star 4 is equal to 5, then the value of 5 star 12 is, from the given expressions, that is 2 star 3 is equal to root 13 and 3 star 4 is equal to 5, we can generalize the expression as a star b is equal to under root of a square plus b square. Therefore, 5 star 12 becomes under root of 5 square plus 12 square, that is root of 25 plus 144, which comes out to be root of 169, that is 13. So the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you.